Youth Venture is a program that gives kids in the community an opportunity to make a difference in our neighborhoods.
They did a community scan trying to figure out what in their environments, what in their community did they want to fix. And the big picture was specifically this playground, primarily because so many of them play on this playground and they were able to recognize things that were unsafe. We reached out to James Bunnell and he has been so gracious in helping us. So he was already working to fix up this park.
This is formerly the Green Street Park Playground. It was named after Mama Fitz. It's a great place. This actually is in the process of going to be redone.
The City of Fitchburg had already received a grant or some funds to fix up different playgrounds.
So new playground parts, a whole new basketball court, and some other better walkways and places to sit.
This is really important to them because they spoke over and over again about how they come with their families, how this is in their neighborhood. They were really caring about the younger children and making sure that this was a place for them to play and enjoy themselves without getting hurt.
My group in Youth Venture decided that there's a lot of inappropriate graffiti and made them not feel good for their little ones to play here, so they decided they wanted to clean it.
My little sister was born, and when she was older, I wanted her to go to clean parks without them being dirty or having bad things on them. So I kind of just wanted to clean the park for her and for other little kids.
The park, it's for kids to play in, but like if it's like a wreck, then you can't play in it. You can get like hurt.
I want to help out this community because I know there's a lot of people that don't like seeing their parks like this, so I just wanted to help out the community and clean up the park.
What I've been able just to observe is just this level of confidence they have, this level of pride, and I think there's just this level of teamwork too. They call themselves the Dragons, so there's this identity behind it. And I just see a lot of engagement and a real interest in making a difference in the community.
So we decided to make our action plan. Our action plan went very, very well.
The presentation itself, honestly, it was like a regular business presentation that you'd see college kids make. I mean, they did a great job.
They were so proud and ready to present to the panel. They each presented one part of the slide, the Google slide that they created.
And they said that they would love to help out our community and help us.
They also gave us a $500 check.
We're cleaning Green Street Park and making sure that all graffiti is off.
The kids were willing and ready to come here, put in some elbow grease.
There's a lot of graffiti, and see, there's scratches of graffiti, so we're gonna help with that. So today we are gonna paint,
spreading out mulch, scrub the graffiti, and probably pick up trash a little bit.
Helping out will help the earth and helping out everybody else. It's fun, it looks fun, and it's a good opportunity to show my true self.
A lot of people don't really respect any parks a lot anymore.
If you think about it, there's a lot of trash everywhere. And it's not good for the animals that live around, and it's not good for people in general. It's not good for anything.
If it's like dirty, then more trash will pile up and it'll spread more pollution. So if it's clean, that won't happen. So we'll have a clean place to play.
I want to see people that are really happy. They'd be like, oh my God, this park is so clean. I want to see this park full again like how it used to be.
If we're going to improve our world and make a difference in our world, we need to start with young people, right? And we need to give young people the sense that they can make a difference in their local world. And if they make a difference in their local world, they're making a difference in the global world. And when you talk about this particular program, yes, they're improving their community, but they're also building skills, they're problem solving, they're project managing, they're team working, all those things that we need to do to be successful in life.
The youth is, and you hear it all the time, they're the future. And that really is true. You know, they're gonna be in the city for a long time. They're the ones right now that are using these facilities, the parks and things like that. In the city of Fitchburg, we have over 46 parks, so there's a lot. The more people that we have come out and help out like these kids are doing, it's huge.
I wanted to change the world, help the park out to help kids play more so they wouldn't get hurt, and I know that someday it will help to change the world. It's important to get involved. It makes me happy because it makes other people happy.
It makes me really, really happy because like sometimes I'm having a bad day, but then I end up going to Youth Venture and I'm always happy after it.
I'm excited to show my mom and my sister what we did in this park. I'm like excited to see other people's faces, like to see how happy they are, to see how clean the park is.
It feels great to change the world and make a difference.
I feel proud of myself for helping little kids not get hurt and not read bad things. And I like making this world a better place.
Now that I'm in this group, I feel like more connected to other people.
I get to make new friends and learn more about them.
To me, I'm very proud of them. This is something I think is very big for the city. You know, a little thing goes a long way, and these kids, hopefully they're at the start of something great for this Junior Park Ranger program and just overall for people wanting to come out and volunteer and help keep Fitchburg as beautiful as it can be.
They have really gone from children who didn't feel like they could make a difference to kids that I envision changing the world. They're not going to stop.
It feels great to make a difference. Like, people in the world could also do that too.
Seeing these kids out here in this playground with their t-shirts on and their rakes and their brooms, having fun while make a difference, I'm hopeful for our future. So thank you again, and thanks to everybody who supports Youth Venture.